Amen. Australian Ponkwame Adumia na watche adofo moja edi efurusani ye mu na takremada so da abodwe mu de adofo mama yempene no ya pre na wie ne de aseda toso e ma otumfo se tutu a wote akonya kese so ahema ene ahemfo aka monso mo boye chidom nara na mo yakonya emeri dwumede yenso yada masepei ene no metutu manamo eduframantem krobia ye fre no zelu kope a e wo kita kromu ho e ho na metutu manamo esi samrei Togbi Gobah ahre na yire ne ho kani watoro nanom e wonsie du ntie na ha ene e befa amamre ene amane a e wosa eyiyo ne nyina mu ene yetutu anamo asi ha ye befa eno ntine wo nso ade bia wonya me ho adade na one me di dwumade wo so me da wasepa ye me na me ka wo sa time heba mixture so ene boye chidom pa ye me di dwumade ade bra nti samalaria bi dia entena si yo bo mode na bowra be bia ye to nro na pe time heba mixture ye metwa me ho akwaje ma boafo enkrato me ba ye beto aso
Mensenye dia nanka malaria ya me pasa. Ada mtu mi mwame.
Oye, mami.
Menye drum.
Oh yeah.
Your friend nye dia herbal mesa. Eye malaria do papa. So wo hospital. Na hu se malaria mo woni bi wo moje mo a. Kopenya dia herbal mesa. Ebe su malaria nyina. Wonu mo ato a nyanya dia herbal mesa. Wonu mo beye wo kama na wo bedi di. Ke batama.
Mami.
Si wa worry si ho.
Yeah.
No be so. Mami.
Na mami. Ba ko pe na ode man.
Ko herbal shop do name. Nsabeka bi.
Me de begia ware na nkasa. Nye dua herbal mixture.
Dua ye dro.
Ebusiafo ma me kan yampa. Hwederi a me kuno wo si bi hwie aduane no. Hwehwe nye dua herbal mixture. Na wanom ede ama me. Abofra wonni mfie dumie no ana opemfo entumi mfa se edwui. Nye dua herbal mixture.
Bro.
Aduane. Di a hwehwe edwadie yi nkrato agye atomu se eye.
Ade na so hu me a wo de bibi osie.
Enye dro ni esayade. Axco herbal capsule. Team enemy koko na ha me bebrebe every ho
Me wura me anye bai me nso metimi anom Axco herbal capsule him
betimi anom bedodo na woni XP herbal capsule eno na ma me sisi yade ni nyina free me so a ma me ho ato me
XP herbal capsule hina na ni jabba nso di bibi asio XF herbal capsule e boost your immune system
ejento so de o sisi da bia chia na ebi chia ka ho
me sisi ndi aka ho
XP herbal capsule ebe boa mo sisi na ye kama ma
tu pa se one no mama ho ato
o so de hwe me
XP herbal capsules fama me so me kwanu we
unya anye dan no
yiwani
wura ni be nya bi
ax no pay enye na ewo herbal ene pharmacy shop dodo na mu bia
da onya mfie dumie no apemfo ene oba o manofo entimi mfasa adui
Sana.
amaya wode foforo
FDA ahwehwesa ejadi enkrato yi mo age atomo sei
if I shop na me sha dia wo bag
Bra ade enen so biem.
na tell me ba me share me see ba queen why me ense
Bra said the time heba measure esia gimi ni me fiefo. Enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
ready dey do so ofani nyina
Bra se me ka se me di time heba measure ho adanse a. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria wadra ni time heba measure.
enye anu ko die nanum ato a wontumi anidie no wadro ne time herbal mixture edre enye ma oba wafa afuro die wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto time herbal mixture edre bi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria bi ansa
Ayo se time ni TIME. Time heba measure. Afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziba ewo mu no. Ebe tiako.
FDA ahwehwe ejadi enkrato yi mo age atomo se eye
Mama Abba, to Lecope, a whole and my Mammy Grace on Olga Gobah. So one Mamma, I won't see it. Nano, who have been for the Bray and Asia, ever just to Gobah, ever one, a man of one this year, number one, and about one mention out, so I in our Framantema, the local pay class, and Luntino, my man of Cabano, no one church, the India, a year, so Nana, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Everything going on well?
Yeah, I'm okay.
This is the final farewell for Mrs. Grace Olga Gobah, the Togbi Gobah's wife. And I see you are also a chief. Kindly tell us your where your school is. Yeah, and your name.
Okay. My name is Togbi the fourth from Wuti in the Aglon district.
Okay.
Togbi Gobah, as it's called, is a friend of mine, very good friend. We do things together. So I hear say he lost a wife, so I came to come and sympathize with him so that we bury the wife.
Do you have a specific responsibility towards him? Towards the burial of his wife?
Yes, I do have. But I have something to give to him, but that one is private.
Aside that, traditionally, do you owe him to have some responsibility towards him?
Oh no, I didn't hold him anything. He too didn't hold me anything. But most of the time we travel to Kumasi and other places. Even I can remember last time we came to Kumasi, that's Otupo's senior brother's funeral. We all came together. I think I met you.
Thank you very much. And Togbi Gobah thanks you too.
Oh, also thank you.
And so this year, Basani would say, a year, a young Koja, and Nuntino, and I say, or no so a beja, Togbi Gobah, Quine, and Mani Cran, and Nuntino, my uncle Swa, dear Sha, Mamma, and your money I would ready. Enchaya biana eyena sena yehu yese enuan be ma ogina menchen o boy tumpantum wotim se twene no edasronko yehu twene ehu twere be no edasronko eno ntire me mo no abonini no wa kire ye twene ni din ene agro no kra ni din no ene say. Hello. Okay, can you tell us your name?
Okay, my name is Glau Israel.
And you are a Voltarian.
Yes, please.
From Jelikope.
Yes.
Okay. We saw you drumming. What's the name of the band?
The name of the band is Bible Class Society from EP Church.
Okay, so it's a band that belongs to a church.
Yes.
Oh, okay. The drums in it, how many are there?
The drums, we have 6 sets of the drum. The one I'm playing there. So as at now, we only brought 5 sets.
Okay.
Yes.
So the long one, what's its name?
The long one is the master drummer. So we call it Achimovu.
Okay, and the other ones?
Followed by Sogo.
Sogo.
Followed by Kidi. Then the last one is Kagang. That's the small.
The smallest one.
Yes.
How did this jam get their name?
And like example, like when your mother borns you, like the elder ones come before the following. That's the way we got married.
So that's how you give the name. Yes. Like this one is the biggest, so let's call it big.
Yes.
And then this one is the small, so let's call it small.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay. Audition, but I'm ready. You know about man and action common drums and answer training and all born on Naja. Only say from Manta, we are not training for you, and Nuntina Montebro, Mufanche. Yeah, twas what needed you with an approach. Chaba Mrs. Grace Olga Gobah Togbi Yire and your goose nay and a son your goose and him for bebre and a Josia were high Nuntino and Menon and about woman say Menon reading Commonia from Musona Sadia or Edema Togbi Gobah Nana Paba.
Jaja.
Who they teach you?
Debbie, I don't understand the language. I can speak in English.
Okay, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I know we've all lost a mother, a friend, and everything. How are you feeling about it?
Okay, in reality, I'm really feeling bad about our big brother, our senior brother, Togbi Gobah, who was a great man to this very Anglo state and a mighty man in this very Anglo state. I may say, as long as I've seen so many years back, about from 1960 up to these days, Togbi involved in so many things, doing things to the Anglo state, moving with our former Mafia Togbi Adelaja in so many development in Anglo state. In reality, in installing of Togbi string, the second of Anglo today, he played much role in Anglo state of installing the Togbi string of the Anglo state. Togbi is a great man to us, a friend and a love man to us. So as he's bereaved, we think we must support him for this funeral on behalf of the Anglo Traditional Council, on behalf of the Anglo state. So Togbi Gobah is a great man for the Anglo state. As you see, upon his ideas and development, that's where we came to Kumansi the other day to bury Nana Kwesi Ajima, who is a brother to the Omahini or Asante of the Asante state. So on that grounds, we are in unity, doing things together, involve things together, so we must move with him as the wife lived us. So I may say, on behalf of everybody, on behalf of the family, may she rest in peace.
May her soul rest in peace. And another Roma, can you tell us your name?
My name is Togbi Abuja from Atiavila Kwesketa, but I usually with the name Togbi Lamanye. Yes, that's my name.
Thank you so very much.
Yes.
We are looking forward to meet you again in
Thank
Kumasi.
you, thank you.
Okay, audition bani and you know now say and into your course one year to a year and so.
Some of my brothers, Asham, Bitiama, so Banaka, Nama, so never was say. I am one of this year in your media. Mubuna and then they were
Mammy booking for 2 frontiers.
Senator Chase, some man, I saw money books, 7 euros, something. I'm a
Santos and Adam for Pan and
7 euros, so you're and it's a bit tune for see. As I seems up on the memory of what I want to make Dama. Timmy and I didn't and you see. Thereby, the young group and the Ira Philip to the man who tune for Sotia. Also, never was Sama and went in and
Next year.
But yes, one Gavalio. No one to for the sheep. Don't want to for Anna or to for Nya, but me, you watch it. You to for the Choma, let me Nyanongo ni nyaku le Togbi Gobah na wadu baba ni ba mati ni aleke sodo me mati to mo bunu ba no bonelo mi ya ko wana na ile fiapa ho ni ha le kidoko adana ko bibo wana mo ti ko na mota hai ba bole hu ko mai mo du fiapa le bole ye baba da ba han ro mo da iti ba lo do gba na ba o ye so da mo so ko se mo ba kemi alogba ifi ya ba ku mi lo gba ho da mi bo mo ni ahu ta ke to bi akogala ala ba ni mi atu mu gp da ada kuna ana ke yo ka mati safia ta kami ko ka badaku aku daga vi
so la que ya pula no ya como
Shaba Masamo, a papa beam about church after you made so. Yet that's so was good. Copper, a hat, and then I have a boy. I'm out here, Togbi Gobah, a Jan, a yellow pine for Nuntin, Nanabua Bassa, or two for just singing our hat, as I'm thinking in the and over hat, and Nuntin, a man of Papa, Naya don't come on access. And that's a Baba. A Wadaruma, aha, a to the copper, Togbi Gobah, and na anope e baby say anope dia bo e se kunani na o Togbi no santina dan ko ba ene me so santima mo an me ba wa na yi e be kun wa ya ye bi asi amama mo a me na santima etumi ma me na se kura na Peter Mau sister we a me ko ho ho ni na utu fo no sumamba ntime ba ya e Togbi ntina ne ire e wo no utu fo se me mechise ni we enu ntina me wa owi amemre mu a mo wa sade bi e wo se asante hini e wa sade bi e wo so ye ma Togbi Gobah na Togbi Gobah de emna me se fie be a hasen ya e ba ko a me be fa se be anwafo enpempa nimba hensia koye nkumasi anwurangafo no na me be fa omu free hard koye nti omu peso omu santen na kwa na che omu sine so asanya ko santen nti e wo nkuta wunke ewo asantene kaje bi ni rawra nyina sebe santen ne dia amu sanche santen wadaru mana so wa boso de eni me bi za me so nipa na be fo omu koye no mo be fo omu koye se omu koye de oh eno de sebe ne ya ko ene ye nya do me nti e be fo omu koye ndo so omu ti o kama na nsi omu ti anwaga etu omu edu omu ko be bi royal village ono saneti nti omu so wahini yankunwa bia na wonya ade bia efa de esene wo bia na omo de presi me so na me de aboma santi nti enye oni mu eye na fadin na fufa mu odin ene ye beda spa se o ma ya konye mienu di nkomo odi sheba ni nyina ene wate no eye de ye nkoja so odi hye wo a ade hye ene koja no kwan enu nti no beda mazeba Adeshimamba Mrs. Grace Olga Gobah na ye nasna ani eguso ayewo no na sesie no me wokunani no ewo me nchen Togbi Gobah ewo me nchen me ma na kwa aba na eja yesu kra yeja ahem ntina anye bia na woso otimi ni atwe nkomo kakra efa na yere ho ne wo masetem ni ade eno ntina me ma na kwa aba na ye de ahyehye so Togbi mpa sure to say
Boko ozo to say upon to say
Nyame adom nso be ho ye edi kan ye be ma wo ya akọ na ya stress obe shedding yenum binti ye try any we still come back to you and so we are praying that God gives you the strength to go on. Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you for coming and for being with us for the past 3 days to cover activities concerning the demise of my beloved wife who has served me for almost 50 years.
Oh.
We started our romance around the 70s when he was in training college.
Oh.
So it has been a very beautiful life, very inspiring life, very supportive life. We did everything in common. I don't remember ever quarreling with my wife.
Oh.
That love has permeated our life and has permeated our children's life up to this day until her demise about 1.5 months ago.
Please tell us a little bit about her.
My wife is a virtuous woman. I can just give her that title. She's always very cool, very unassuming. She is very quiet, the quiet type, and she's always ready to perform her duties to the best of her ability. She's a leader in every aspect of life. At home, she receives visitors, all types of visitors. She takes care of both the nuclear family, maternal and paternal. People have stayed with us. We have fed people from childhood. They are not our children. They have gone to university and they're all in life now, taking care of themselves. So she is that woman who will never even quarrel. If something happens, we just look at each other, eye each other, and then life continues. So she is that type of woman. She's very, very rare. That type of woman you can't get in life. She's left me behind, but I have to carry it from here and continue for life.
I am so excited you said you have to carry it from here. You have to be very, very strong because of us. your children. And so we are hoping that you carry on as you said. Can you also tell us a little bit about your own self?
Oh, myself can go for thousands of kilometers. But briefly, I want to just do 1 kilometer. Well, I'm born into a very great family. We all, as you know, those days were days of nothing. But we grew up from there. Our father was a big-time penta weaver. So we all took to his vocation from childhood through to school. He has a very supportive woman. And we all carry on from there. We have to come back from school, go to the beach, with Kente Club, to the training college, from school here to the training college in Amajofe. And we learned a lot, especially in the Christian world, which shows us to show love. Love means taking care of yourself first, and then taking care of the extended family and to the other world, to the rest of the people. So I'm that type of person who believes that whatever God has given you, it's not for you. It's for humanity. It's for society. So that is my privilege God has given me. That whatever I have to share it to the rest of the world. And that is what my wife and I have done. I'll say in particular that I've traveled all over to share that knowledge with others. I go for international seminars as a election observer in the whole world. I've been to Congo, I've been to South Africa, I've been to Kenya, I've been to Nigeria, I've been to Congo recently, where we had an election in 2018, which brought peace to Congo. So I've always believed that whatever God has given you, you must champion that cause to the best of ability of humankind. And that has been my inspiration and throughout life. So I keep on doing it.
Kindly send some inspirational message to your children.
Well, as for my children, they are always strong. The only thing I can say is that they should remain strong, positive, and resolute in all that they do. I've sent them to school, my wife and children, and they are now very solid. They are doing a lot of work for society. So they should continue to do that. They serve society very well. And one of them is has an international NGO, Principles of Promise, building classrooms, 170, almost 180 now, free of charge. It goes to raise funds and serving community. What else can children do to raise their father's image? So my word to them is to continue to be solid, to be strong, and continue their benevolence as their father has been doing.
Thank you so much. I've also taken some of the advice and I'm going to live my life with it. Thank you so very much, and we pray that you continue to be strong for all of us and for all the community. Yebema ebusua omahwere wo modehye nyina yakọ Togbi Gobah ebusua nyina yemamu yakọ yesrasa mbehye den mbenya ahoden ede ato amunwuma so ye nyina ene yahwere ade samra odehye ba emra so se yesore dwumadie ne so megidi pa se amamra ne amande ekọ ne afutusaba a wotie nyina wodi be ba obra se ne menso so medi bi ebo me bra no give us P and Co council so ebo ye chidom pay meda adehye am wadzelu kopa nyina so ase se me bae no moje me suye na monimi edi dwuma ene me di nkomo nyankopon pa da sene ye besan hia e wo dwumadie yi so no enti kai na fa wo fidie no fa to ha nyame boa ye besan hia mode hia esi China makram
Kakra. De ya ira yana na mkwanya wa kwa suchi